Hello, this is Theo Marshall, MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard the 2012 WorldCat 250 dual console. In the back, she's powered by a dual 150 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha engines. You'll notice you have this nice little swim platform here, where you have this ladder that can fold right into the water, give you a nice boarding ladder into your boat. As we move forward into the boat, we have plenty of storage here in the stern, as well as a live well. You have a nice bench seat here in the aft, and you'll notice a pretty roomy beam here as you make your way into the cockpit. Nice hard top, additional storage within the hard top, along with your rod holders. You have your zipped enclosure here. Helm seat brings you to your throttle, your helm, radio, screens. And over on the port side, right by your speakers, you have the console with your head and some additional storage as well as your radio. Coming on into the bow, you'll notice additional storage in your starboard side console. And then plenty of bow seating here with a huge amount of storage space under all the cushions. All the way up the bow, you have your windlass anchor, your anchor locker. Again, this is the 2012 WorldCat 250 dual console. For any questions or any additional information, please give us a call at 508-320-3350. Thank you.